So Chris, here we are at the Moto Morini booth. Since 1937, you guys have been making history. You've got a nice piece of history here, but in the U.S., for the past year and a half, you've made your own bit of history.
Robin, it's so good to see you. Thank you for taking time to come by the Moto Morini booth. And you're right, Moto Morini, ITALIA DAL 1937. One of the few Italian brands, of that era that's still around and thriving. And I know this bike caught your eye, being an aficionado of fine motorcycles. 1965 factory GP race bike, still a runner today, but this bike was setting the world on fire in the mid 60s as a full factory GP race bike, raced by such great Italian champions like Alberto Masi, and a lot of the great champions of that era were on the Moto Morinis. The small displacement Moto Morinis were some of the fastest bikes in the world at that time.
May not be GP level, but the Corsaro is coming, a sport hard-edged bike.
The Corsaro is coming, a brand, a name of great renown from Moto Morini history, and it's coming back.